Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to enable the Pull Tap feature on Discord, enhancing your app's navigation experience. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Discord app on your phone and ensure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your user settings. Once there, find and tap the Settings gear icon at the top right of the screen. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you locate the Advanced option, which contains more specialized settings. Once inside the Advanced settings, scroll again until you find the Pull Tap option. To activate it, simply tap on it, and you'll have successfully enabled the Pull Tap feature on Discord, improving your app navigation experience. And that's it! You've now streamlined your Discord usage with this feature. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching!